Hey! Hey, I'm Brooke. I'm London, aka Lundy Lou. If you want to see this video, go like and subscribe. And the video's about to start! Zoey, did you brush your teeth this morning? What?
What? I thought I told you to brush your teeth.
Yes.
You pranked me? What? So, did you brush your teeth?
No.
What?
Zoey, did you ever eat a bug?
Well, yeah.
Oh my god. Zoey, did you ever eat a flower with a bug on a flower?
Yes.
Ew, that's gross. Ew.
Oh, yes.
Ew. Really? Zoey, do you ever eat your boogers?
Yes.
Ew, that's disgusting and gross. Oh. That was one of the girls. You got me. Have you ever put makeup on your dad's face? I love to put makeup on my daddy's face. Yay! You just talked, Zoey. You love. You talking it too? Okay. That's just a love. This was yours.
Y'all ready? Go.
Have you ever brushed your teeth before? Okay. Have you ever brushed your teeth with candy?
Yes.
Ew, that's gross and bad. You got the cavity.
No.
London, have you ever brushed Brooklyn's teeth?
No.
London, have you ever brushed Brooklyn's teeth?
No.
Ew. Why would she brush my teeth? You just talked, you laughed.
No. Okay, guys, I have a question for y'all. Zoey, Brooke, and London, have y'all ever eaten your boogers? Ew! Holy moly! Zoey ate her boogers! Ew! I have another question. Holy moly, Zoey, Brooklyn, and London, have you ever wet the bed? Oh no, what? Hold on, I'm your mommy and I know that answer. Okay, has anybody here ever woke up in their sleep and peed in a dresser drawer? What? Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. How? How does that happen? Okay, has anybody ever poo-pooed in their underwear? What? Oh my goodness. The older girls. What is going on? That is nasty. Has anyone ever... Was anybody ever running with their mouth open and a bug flew in it? Oh my goodness. Why? Oh my gosh.
No, I'll never do that.
I have a question. Has anybody ever stepped in a pile of dog poop? What? I know I have. What is that? What are y'all doing? Okay, last question. Has anybody ever had a bird poop on their head? What? You've
It
gotten it
smells
all.
like dog
Ew.
food. Yeah.